Hi, I'm Lapo from Lapo's Kitchen in Cape Town. I've been giving my cooking classes to kids today. We made traditional pasta, homemade pasta from scratch, egg pasta. So we used some beautiful organic eggs and beautiful flour, and we made a dough and we played with it, and then we made two sauces, a tomato and lemon zest sauce and a truffle and cream sauce. And then a little dessert to get excited with a sweet tooth. And I also found it fascinating how when there was four kids, and each of the kids had his own personality, very specifically into certain behavior that you can pick up and be fascinated about that. There was one very inquisitive, one very logical, one very creative and crazy and more like I want to do everything. It's absolutely fascinating to see mini humans developing. If you love cooking, you should try and experiment, and you should never ever be scared of messing it up.